She drinks it all, and suddenly, a thunderous roar shakes the camp. Everyone goes outside and find a giant wolf slime coming toward them. This time, the creature is red and faster than the previous one. Citri then says that they will need to analyze the barriers around the creature in order to destroy it, and to do that, she needs them to buy her some time. And despite being terrified, the people do as she says, and the monster quickly blows her shield to smithereens. Citri then orders the wizards to attack the creature from all sides.